We are at the 78th Annual Convention of the American Bell Association, and we're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an exhibit by one of our bell collectors of the sights and sounds of southwestern Pennsylvania. This is fascinating. Look at this history. There was the Fulton Bell Factory here in Pittsburgh from 1832 to 1916. And look at this huge, huge bell in front of the Historical Society. Here's a fire alarm bell that they had made. We have some collectors who collect nothing but these huge bells out in their yards. I don't know where else they keep them, certainly not in my home. Let's see what else we've got. A shopkeeper doorbell. A National Road Mile Marker souvenir. We all do pick up different kinds of souvenirs, don't we, when we travel around, things that catch our eye. Here's a teacher's bell. We've all seen some of those in different places. What's back here? What have we got? A doorbell. Oh, and in the old days, they used to turn it. Let's see if I can get at this. A cruet set with the bell in the center. Somebody polished that beautifully, didn't they? Oh my, altar chimes. Let's take a closer look here. Look at this. These are all birds. And back here, train bells. Can you imagine how large and heavy those things are? And Conestoga wagon with horses showing their bells. The horses' bells. Right here. This is what the saddle chimes would look like. And cowbells. Certainly we've all seen those in different places. We can hear them coming. Well, now this is a new one. I've never heard of a turkey bell before. Now think of this, the diameter or circumference of the neck of that turkey. That would have fed a lot of people. And here we have a table bell. A bell toy. Let me see if I can make this ring. Could you hear that? And we have some old baby rattles. And a church bell. Trolley bell. I've never seen one of those before. Look at this. What does that do? Is that a tap bell? No. Nope. Not supposed to touch these things, but they gave me permission if I'll be just a little bit careful. And this must be another door chime, doorbell. Let me see if that rings. Nope, not getting anything. And I don't want to work too hard. But bell collectors, people who are members of the American Bell Association, obviously collect all different kinds of bells. And this is a really unique collection that they shared with us. Thank you for taking your time to look at all of this, and we have a lot more videos online, and we welcome you to join with us. Thank you.